art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw gray from Incredibox Sprunki. So first for our eyes, on the left hand side, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. We're going to leave a small gap in the center, coming over on the right and replicating that. Now in the center of our eye, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes directly across. Underneath, we're going to draw in a nice big half circle. And then back in the middle, we're going to replicate that again. For the mouth, we're going to draw in a straight line across. And then for our eyebrows, we're just going to curve this line down on both sides. Now for the cheeks, we're just going to draw in two small circles on the top. As well as moving down in the center and replicating that. Now let's draw in the head. So starting in the middle on the top, we're going to curve this line around and then down on the left. And then we're going to start back in the middle, replicating that, curving this around and then down on the right. We're going to close off our circle on the left-hand side, curving this line around, back in towards the middle. And then again, replicating this on the right, bringing this line all the way around and then in towards the bottom. For the ears now, on the right-hand side, we're going to draw on a diagonal line that comes out. We'll do the same as we move over on the left. From this point now, we're going to bring this line down on the bottom. Now for the body, on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out. And then we'll do the same thing as we move down on the right. And then we're just going to close this off on the bottom now with a straight line from left to right. And that is it. That's how you draw gray from Incredibox Sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.